Howdy partner, so you want to learn how to set up an Intex pool water slide? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to unbox and set up this Intex inflatable water slide, and then we're going to go ahead and give a quick review, let the kids play on a little bit, and see how it works out. I've seen these water slides for a couple of years now, and I think this is probably about the most popular, affordable, inflatable water slide for a pool. So we picked this up at Academy Sports. It was on sale, but they're available through a ton of different retailers. And I'll put a link in the description that you can go ahead and click and check out on Amazon or something else if you want to. But we'll see how this does. If you like this video, please go to the bottom right, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get our whole pool series of videos. We have a bunch of pool videos on DIY, tips, tricks, how to fix things, how to clean filters, all that sort of stuff. So if you have a pool, hit that subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also likes and comments. So this thing is pretty heavy and it's pretty large. It says it's 10 feet, 11 inches long by 6 feet, 9 inches wide by 3 feet, 10 inches tall. It's all right there. So the 10 feet, 11 inches is probably including the parts in the water, but you got to make sure you have a pretty large area to go ahead and set it up. Now, I thought that maybe this is filled with water and this is filled with air, but according to the instructions, it's all just air. So again, it's pretty heavy, pretty well built, it seems like. Comes with the instructions, and then it's all going to be one piece of this slide. So what the recommendation is from the instructions is to pull it out and set it up where you're going to go ahead and inflate it. They do not want you dragging it on the ground for obvious reasons. We're going to set ours up right here where we have enough room. We'll roll it out. And I think it's upside down, but this is definitely the bottom part. We'll flip this over. We're going to go ahead and start to inflate this and see if we got everything right. Now, they recommend that you use a hand pump inflator so as not to overinflate in the seams. They say when the air gets hotter that it can stress the seams. I'm going to use a power inflator, breaking the rules, but I'll be careful not to overinflate it, and we'll see. All inflated, I'll tell you, using a hand pump would take a really long time. That's what they say you're supposed to do, but it took a long time even with a big air pump. So definitely a lot of air. It is better built than I would have expected. It's a very, very thick sort of rubber or nylon, whatever it's made out of. I wouldn't compare it necessarily to a pool raft. It's more like a bounce house or something. It's very well, feels pretty thick. At the front, there's a lot of safety features. This inflatable thing here is supposed to be in the water, staying away from the pool. Be sure to read the instructions and safety precautions, but that's supposed to be there. I'm 99% sure according to instructions. And then that there also keeps it. So that keeps it in place. It's got these big side pieces that keep it in place. Again, that's just air, not water. And then there's also a pad back here, I guess for the little ones, although they could still fall, hit behind there. It's got nice tall walls, so you should stay in it. And it's really pretty well built. This thing is somewhat massive. I mean, I'm 6 feet tall, and it's pretty big indeed. So the other thing about it is it's actually a water slide. So there's a water hook up here. All the connections for the air were really, really good quality, felt like it. This is only day one, so we'll give a little review, but I can't promise how it's gonna be for a year. You wanna screw on this water connector to just your garden hose. Wow, all right. Looks like a good amount of water is going there. Mainly shooting down into the pool. And you can see that that's keeping it nice and wet. So, we're gonna have the kids play on this for a few minutes. and then we'll go ahead and give a review of how it is so far. I'm impressed. Anyone want to go down the water slide?
Yeah!
All right, let's see it. Come on, let's go. All right, Piper, come on. Let's go. Ready, go! All right. And Mia, go ahead. Come on over here, Piper. Whoa! All right. What do you think? Come on over here. Come here. What do you think of water slide?
Good.
Good? Is it fun? Tell the camera. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, go ahead again.
Daddy, it's
Whoa! Yeah, go ahead and get up here. Go ahead.
Mommy, don't actually
Wave to
walk.
the camera. Go on. Let's go. All right. Say, it's fun.
It's fun, but don't subscribe to Mr. Graham's house.
Oh, yeah, subscribe. All right, everybody. Well, this seems like a lot of fun. I really can't wait myself. I'm not sure if I'm over the weight limit, but I'm going to try us out. And remember, with all my videos, if I can do this, you can too. Thanks for watching.